Good morning, students. Myself, Amol Thusar. Welcome to third semester. In this third semester, there are two subjects are there. First, vertebrate zoology, and second one, genetics second. Today, we will discuss the subject genetics second and also discuss its syllabus and its outcome. See here, BSc second year third semester, our paper number 8, and the first topic, that is genes and its expression. You have know in second semester, that is about introduction about genetics. Genetics means study of heredity and variation, and the genetics were coined by Batson, and who is the father of genetics? Gregor Johann Mendel. These are the father of genetics. These are Mendel. Lot of experiment carried out by pea plant. And our first topic in this semester, that is genes, its expression. Genes means they are the classical unit of inheritance. In this topic, we will discuss definition, concept, and function of gene. Concept means according to the Benjamin-Butto, the genes are different three types, that is recon, muton, and cistron. These are the three types of three concept of genes. Then transcription of gene, like initiation, elongation, and termination, that is genetic code, like concept of codon, properties of genetic code, and last one, that is called a translation of gene. In this translation, that is initiation, elongation, and termination. Means in this topic we will discuss the gene and its expression, like we will discuss the central dogma method, that is called protein synthesis, simple one. Second topic, that is called as population genetics. In this population genetics, we will discuss gene pool, that is summation of all genes, gene frequency, like that is called as, these are depend on gene pool and its allele. Then Hardy-Weinberg law, they are proposed by Hardy and Weinberg, two different scientists, and application of Hardy-Weinberg law. These are our second topic, that is population genetics. After that, the third topic, that is human genetics. In this human genetics, these are very lengthy topic. In this human genetics, we will discuss human chromosome, like X and Y chromosome, as well as autosomes. Then we will discuss sex-linked inheritance, like X-linked inheritance and Y-linked inheritance, and its disease, like hemophilia, color blindness. Then we will discuss twins, like dizygotic twins and monozygotic twins, like Simon's twins also. Then we will discuss inborn in metabolism, like PKU and albinism. Then genetic disorder, like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. Means the syndrome, these are caused due to the non-disjunction. Then we will discuss use of human genetics in medical science, like disease diagnosis, gene therapy, and DNA fingerprinting. Here means, then we will discuss the fourth topic, that is microbial genetics. In this microbial genetics, you have know like microbes, like viruses and bacteria, these are used nowadays in genetics, like gene therapy, like some vaccine production. So in this microbial genetics, we will discuss transformation, conjugation and transduction. Then we will move to our last topic, that is genetic engineering. In this topic, introduction of genetic engineering, definition, concept and significance of genetic engineering. Then restriction enzyme, its concepts and types. Then cloning vector like plasmid, cosmid, phage. Then construction of recombinant DNA technology, that is called as rDNA technology. Then application of rDNA technology. This is our genetics second syllabus. Then after completion of the course, you are expected to attend the following course outcome. First one, that is called as to understand the gene expression and regulation in prokaryote and eukaryotes. Then to understand about the role of genetics in evolution. Third one, these are called as able to evaluate conclusion that are based on genetic data in population genetics. Fourth one, able to know about genetics, genetic disease and disorder. Last one, that is insight into the manipulation of genetic material for a wide variety of purpose and product via recombinant DNA technology. Thank you. Yesterday we will discuss the first topic, that is gene and its expression. Today we will stop here. Thank you all of us. Thank you.